Hi guys, welcome back to Muzzy Tech and yeah. Super excited for this one. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 17 Air in the colorway Cloud White. Let's experience the unboxing together. Did I forget to mention it is the thinnest phone from Apple? It runs on Apple A19 Pro chip, 12GB RAM and 3149 mAh battery. Firstly, we are greeted with the phone. Damn, the Cloud White is such a unique colorway, with the shiny titanium frame, USB Type-C charging port, action button, volume up and down switch, power button, it has a single camera with a PIL cutout bar, kind of looking like Google Pixel. And in the box we have the USB Type-C charging cable, some instructional manual guide, let's keep them box aside and focus on this bad boy. It comes in the 256GB variant. The back glass was built with Apple's ceramic shield. Now let's peel the plastic off. That was so satisfying. Let's power this on. It has a 6.5 inches screen that comes with 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the screen battery smooth. Now enjoy the setup process. The phone is really thin, slippery and comfortable in the hand, and the screen is really bright, going about 3000 peak nits of brightness. That's more than enough for direct use under the sunlight. And finally, we are in. Camera test time. It has a powerful 48 megapixel camera, great for shooting high-quality photos and videos. For videos, it can shoot at 4000 at 24, 25, 30, 60 frames per second, and videos on here are smooth. For the front-facing camera, it has an 18 megapixel camera, which can also shoot at 4K. And this new selfie camera comes with a new ultra-wide camera, allow you to take better group selfie.
I get like 50 gigas.